Hey, how are you doing? I'm Shirish, your self-publishing Sherpa. So you want to write and publish a book but don't know where to begin? Or maybe you are too afraid to begin. You may be thinking that self-publishing is either too expensive, too time-consuming, or too difficult. How do I know all this? Because I was exactly in the same boat as you 4 years ago. But from late 2018 till the end of 2022, I have self-published 35 books in 4 languages. Isn't it amazing what can be achieved once the hang-ups are gone? I hope the same will happen to you and you will soon publish your first masterpiece. I am Shirish, an artist, author and trainer. Through this series of videos, I am hoping to give answer to every question that you may have related to self-publishing. Each video in this video series is designed to specifically address one question. This will make it easier for you to navigate to the correct question directly. The links to all the videos in this video series in sequence is given on a web page on my website. The link to that web page is in the description below. The same list of links can be found in a downloadable PDF on my website. Again, link in the description below. I advise you to download this PDF and refer to it whenever you have any questions related to self-publishing. As I upload new videos, I will keep updating this PDF as well as the web page. Publishing is an ever-changing landscape. To make sure that you are always in the loop about the changes, I strongly advise that you subscribe to this channel and to follow us based on the social media you are watching this video on. Shall we begin?